morning, my name's James Hughes, Chief Market Analyst here at Scope Markets, and this is your daily briefing. Asian markets rose on Thursday after a combination of oil recovering from its lows and the promise of more stimulus by the US government helped to cushion nervous markets. Better than expected earnings data out of the US helped to lift equities, though of course overall sentiment still remains very fragile. However, the movement on Wall Street was yet again due to artificial stimulation, as the US Senate unanimously agreed on yet another stimulus package to help the US economy cope with the pandemic. The new aid package is expected to clear through the House of Representatives on Thursday, and if so, will take the overall aid bill for the US to over $3 trillion. Stimulus was the talk of Europe during yesterday's session, as well as Italy's debt sale passed without complications. There is still a feeling that the ECB will do more to help the Eurozone economy, which is as fragile as any at the moment. The issue with any further aid package is that it would yet again have to be agreed by European finance ministers who struggled to agree the last one. Oil prices remain in focus on Thursday after prices jumped a little on Wednesday. Fundamentally, the picture is likely to remain the same, as the only easing in prices will come when output is cut further, but more importantly, when demand increases. Energy firms are still cutting production above and beyond the OPEC Plus agreement. However, storage space continues to be limited and reducing in availability. The cheapest place to store oil is in the ground. However, by not pumping the oil, the companies face further financial hits. Today sees PMI data out of Europe as the market tries to gauge a picture of just how hard economic output is being hit during the lockdown. Some countries in Europe are starting to ease lockdown restrictions, but as was warned by UK Chief Medical Officer Chris Whitty yesterday, any expectations of a swift return to normality are wholly inaccurate. The initial jobless claims figure will yet again be a key driver for the week. The weekly US jobs number is becoming a mainstream indicator of the economic toll the COVID-19 pandemic is having on the jobs market. Expectations for this week are for a number of over 4 million more Americans claiming unemployment benefit in the last 7 days.